I'm Darren. I am the Shuswap Dirt Rider, and today is going to be the beginning of a series on electrifying a gas motorcycle. What we have here is a 2013 Suzuki RMZ250 with a blown engine. First thing you got to do is get yourself a donor bike. Probably overpaid. Paid $800 for this bike. Basically for the rolling chassis. Anyway, I'm going to strip it all down for you right now. So now we will hit the time lapse. All right, that completes stage number 2, the strip down. So, as we can see, Battery will go down straight like that. Motor will sit there. All right, there's the engine. And all the crap. All right, now we will wash and degrease the frame completely, and we wait for parts to arrive. All right, that's it for now.